To the Lord, rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that cross where the dearest and best for a world of lost sinners was slain. So we'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. So I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. On the old rugged cross, so despised by